Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. It's a very quick update. I finally get this industrial area kind of started to put together. Previous video we showed some of the components and me trying to lay things out, and tonight I just spent 4 or 5 hours and basically laid everything out, put it together, put the walls up. Still need to put a backdrop behind it, and need to do some weathering on the buildings, and we need to put in some bits of foliage, grass, a few things like that. But I think all in all the whole thing came together very nicely, and I just thought I'd do a very quick video, and this way you can see the progress from the other video. Obviously we need some people, we need some vehicles, you know, there's a lot of things yet to do, but I'm very pleased with the progress at this point in terms of what we've done. As always, thanks for watching. Very short video. I think it's the shortest one I've ever done, but I just thought you'd like to see a quick update. As always, subscribe with the button to the top right, another video to the top left.